Here in this video, I'll demonstrate how I made $29.50 in a single day using a brand new money-making app that pays you $120 for each and every advertisement you watch for free. The list of benefits is endless, so let's get started. First, type the name of the app, Surfy.b, into the search bar. Next, click on the first link that appears. Alternatively, you can just go to surf.b/earn. This is the app that we're going to use to earn money online by watching advertisements without having to invest any money, as you can see here. The minimum withdrawal amount is just 3 cents, and you can receive money in as little as 24 hours. However, before you register and give it a try, make sure to watch the entire video, because I'll be providing you with all the information you need to know. If not, you won't be able to make any money. Additionally, before I show you guys these apps, I personally test them out to ensure they work. The good news is that you can use this on your computer or download their app to your smartphone. As you can see, it says you can earn money from your PC, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. The process is very simple. All you have to do is register on the website and install their extension. Once you have done that and have the extension on, it will show banner ads on websites that you visit. If you don't have Payer, don't worry. They also offer a lot of other payment methods that I'm going to show you in a moment. This is how it works. BAS is essentially very simple and straightforward. You're going to have ads that look like this on every website that you visit. The good news is that you don't even have to click on these ads to make money. You will literally get paid for every ad that just popped up. Basically, the first thing you should do is create an account. To do this, simply scroll to the top of the page, click the Create an Account button, and then fill out the simple information here. Enter your username, email address, and password, then click Sign Up. After confirming your email, simply sign in to your own account. This is how your dashboard will seem, as you can see below. But all in all, this is great, especially for newbies, because it doesn't take any specific abilities or knowledge. You can now earn money on this site by watching videos. This will not be our main focus, but if you would like to try, simply double-click a video to open it in a new tab. All you have to do is watch the video for 20 seconds to earn money. Click this icon, then wait for the process to finish, which will take a few moments. As the most crucial part of this discussion will be how to earn money by watching advertisements, so make sure you enjoy the video and leave a comment letting me know which country you are from. The first thing you should do is click on this link to install the extension for Google Chrome or any of these other browsers. From there, you can click to access the Chrome Web Store, where you can see that there are already over 880,000 users and roughly 1,200 positive reviews, and then click on the ADD extension. Surfy is relatively new. Not many people are aware of it yet. You should take advantage of it now before it becomes saturated. Once the extension is installed, you won't have any more work to do because it will start showing you ads on every website you visit through your browser. You can also move the ads up or down by clicking this icon. If you'll stick with me until the end of the video, I'll also share with you my personal trick that I used to make $73 in less than a week. Since I don't have to work, it's not bad at all. The best part is that this works everywhere, and you can start withdrawing your money by clicking on Withdraw Funds right here. They also accept a variety of payment methods. Using their affiliate program is another way I make money on this website. Simply go to Referrals right here, click on Links and States, and then go to Promo Banners. Your affiliate link will be displayed right here, and as you can see, you will receive 5.25% commission from your affiliate's earnings. You can also use Facebook, for example, to promote your affiliate link because there are many groups there that are related to making money online. By the way, if you have your own website and would like to promote it here in order to attract visitors, you can do so by going to Advertisements and then clicking on Add ads where it says banner ad. If you check out their reviews on the Chrome Web Store, you'll notice that the majority of them are positive. You can decide for yourself whether or not it's worth the time to invest by reading what other people have to say about it. Some even disclose the amount of money they have made. The fact that this extension was approved for the Chrome Store indicates that it's 100% genuine. I would give it at least an 8 or 9 out of 10 stars if I had to rate it myself. It doesn't contain malware or anything similar, or else it wouldn't be on the Chrome Store. Just keep in mind that you always have the extension on your browser so that it shows ads on every website that you visit. And as I mentioned, you don't even have to click on these ads to make money. If you use more than one browser on your computer, you can also add the extension to all of them to maximize your earnings. And more people so you can earn as much passive income as possible right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch my videos first and earn the most money. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.